こんにちは、友人 A です。よろしくお願いします。イエー
Sorry,
イ。
sorry for the wait. So, what
お、
is your favorite thing about Kiara?
好きなところみたいな。
そう。
あit's too hard to choose one, right? One.
You can say several
Okay.
things.
Yeah,
い
okay.
や、なん
So
かもう。
first, I respect you because
うん
your language skill is very good and so fabulous. I respect you. You are my teacher, I think.
どう
すごい、日本語もね、めちゃめちゃスムー
あ
ズに
りがとう。
話せます
でも、
し。
びっくりした。ちゃん、また英語上手くなってね。
本当に
なってる。
improving my skill?
Yeah,
I'm
it's
so
an
happy.
English gets better and better. Are you practicing
Thank
like day by day or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've been practicing English for 3 hours a day.
What?
Now these days.
本気じゃん。
Easy.
So
Yeah.
serious.
You're so
Wow.
serious because I never forget the promise to be host of Whole Talk. Yeah. You remember
I
the
forgot
promise?
that. I forgot that.
Ah, you forget?
I forgot it.
Oh no. Please remember.
Now, okay,
I
good
remem-
to know. Good because whole talk is gonna come back sometime soon, and would be nice to
Oh.
have like a backup host. Yeah.
Yeah. So I will be the host in the future.
Ah.
No, I can't. I can't. Your Japanese and translator skill is so good, so too good. But so I'd like to.
でも、
Yeah.
日本語が下手になってしまった。I got wasted. The 日本語 glorious 日本語。But I think if I go to Japan, it will be better again.
Yeah, you must come to Japan.
Yeah, I
Come
want
to
to.
Japan.
Yeah, and then we can
Yeah.
go eat something together again.
Yeah, right. So
Yes.
なんかライブもね、日本で出てほしいですし、
やり
一緒にね、
たい。
また
Yes.
なんかこう行ったりとかしたいですよね。イベントとかも出たりとかね。
行きたい
ね、行きたいですよね。
は
そうだ
よ
から待ってます。はいよ、そう、はいよ。
はよ
We can't wait, right?
Yeah. Thank you, えい
Yeah.
ちゃん。
Thank you so much. じゃあ次の機会にまたよろしくお願いします。この後頑張ってください。Thank you for hard working. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Congratulations. Thank you. I love you. Bye.
I love you too. She said I love you. Okay, it's going fast. Oh. Ha 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 cha ma. かわいい。声枯れてるけど大丈夫？
大丈夫だよ。
かわいい。
ちょっと、ちゃん、なんで Why your English is getting better? No, stop it!
Maybe HAACHAMA can take lessons from えいちゃん one-on-one lessons? 英語会話？
いやでも本当なんか住んでないと、
うん。
どんどんね、
えいちゃんも住んでないよ。
やめてよ。